Today, we're looking into James David Rogers, the man who stalked and terrorized actress Eva LaRue and her young daughter for over a decade. Where is he now? And what happened after his arrest? Let's find out. James David Rogers spent years sending threatening letters to Eva LaRue and her daughter, signing them as Freddy Krueger, and making violent, disturbing threats. His harassment campaign stretched back to 2007, when LaRue's daughter was just 5 years old. Investigators later traced Rogers through DNA from the letters, leading to his arrest in 2019. In 2022, Rogers pleaded guilty to multiple federal charges: mailing threatening communications, interstate threats, and stalking. He was sentenced to 40 months, just over 3 years, in federal prison. Where is James David Rogers now? As of now, James David Rogers has been released from prison. His current location is not publicly disclosed, and there are no confirmed reports of him reoffending or returning to a public life. He appears to be keeping a very low profile after his release. James David Rogers' story is a chilling example of how obsession and stalking can cross into criminal territory. After a long and frightening harassment campaign, justice caught up, and now he's out, but remains out of sight. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more stories like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for updates on where these people are now.